What if we told you that the power to predict future trends, make smarter decisions, and drive innovation lies in your hands? Welcome to the fascinating world of data acquisition, the first step in your data journey. Data acquisition is all about collecting, filtering, and cleaning data from a variety of sources. This is the stage where we put on our detective hats and start hunting for valuable information. Imagine you're a chef. In the same way you'd select the finest ingredients for your dish, you need to find and gather the best data for your analysis. The quality of your insights rests heavily on the quality of the data you acquire. So where do we find these data ingredients? They could be in databases, hidden in the corners of the web waiting to be scraped, or available for access through APIs. Remember, in the world of data, quality is king. So acquiring data effectively is like finding the right ingredients for a perfect recipe. The better the ingredients, the better the outcome. Now that we've gathered our ingredients, how do we prepare them for the main course? Data wrangling, or data munging as it's also known, is the answer to this question. It's like the prep work of a master chef, but instead of slicing and dicing vegetables, we're cleaning, structuring, and enriching raw data into a digestible format. Imagine your data as a raw gemstone. It's valuable, sure, but it's not yet in a form where its true beauty can shine. Data wrangling is the process of cutting and polishing that gemstone into a sparkling jewel of information. Techniques such as data transformation, which is like cutting the gem into the right shape, and data merging, which is like combining different gems to create an exquisite piece, are commonly used. Handling missing values is also a crucial part of data wrangling, much like filling in any cracks in the gemstone. In essence, data wrangling is the art of transforming raw data into a treasure trove of insights. So, why do these terms matter in the world of data science? Well, let's circle back to our discussion. Data acquisition is the starting point, the gathering of raw, unprocessed information from various sources. This data, in its raw form, is like uncut diamonds, valuable but not yet ready for use. And that's where data wrangling comes into play. It's the process of cleaning, structuring, and enriching raw data into a more usable format. It's like a skilled jeweler cutting and polishing those uncut diamonds to reveal their true value. These two processes, data acquisition and wrangling, are fundamental to any data science project. They set the stage for successful data analysis. Without them, our data might be misleading, our insights inaccurate, and our decisions misguided. So, the takeaway? Good data acquisition and wrangling practices are essential. They are the initial steps that set the course for our data journey. Remember, in the world of data, acquiring and wrangling data effectively is not just an option, but a necessity. So gear up and dive into the exciting world of data science.